Fantasyland station. Please remain seated to the second full stop. And you will find all three to the departure train. Please remain seated. Please, all three guys.
Alright, folks, we are rolling into the station. Still, please remain seated until I get the words up. All clear. Remain seated, folks. Once again, folks, all hands are seated length inside the train. Please remain seated until I get the words up. All clear. Hold on, folks. We are still rolling into the station. Please remain seated. Hold on, folks. Hold on, folks.
Stay seated.
Hold on.
Stay seated, please.
There it is, friends. All clear. Watch your head. Step issue. Exit, please. Welcome to front.
Don't be enchanted, and not just the forest. From the peaceful castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, travelers, children of all races, we're coming down the track and headed straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacularific Fantasyland Storybook Circus. This is a place to soar with Dumbo, or join Goofy in his stunt plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to Fantasyland and some others. Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding. That way, no boarding up to the next leg of our trip. So as you embark, please watch your step and thanks for traveling. I hope you join us again real soon. Keep your day aboard. Our next stop is Main Street Station.
Alright, folks, we are still rolling into the station. Please remain seated until I get the words of all clear. Once again, folks, please remain seated with all hands on seat lights inside the train. Once again, folks, we are still rolling into the station. Please remain seated until you hear that one whistle and I get the word of all clear. Promise there, folks, I promise. Hang on. Hold on. I promise. Hold on. There it is, friends.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the trees. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated. Then pick up your belongings carefully disembark. If you have strollers to your boat, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. If you like that. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? It is Main Street International. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Alright, folks, we are still rolling into the station. Please remain seated until I get the words up all clear. Folks, please remain seated with all hands on seat lights inside the train. Please remain seated until I get the words up all clear. Remain seated, please, folks. We're almost there. Hold on. There it is, friends. All clear. Watch your hands up, please. Welcome.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. It stops along the way in Frontierland and
Until then, once again, please continue to remain seated. Thank you.
Our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it.